peeps. So Pat just finished doing the walk of shame, and he's gonna drop Henry off and return back. Me and this little guy are gonna go have breakfast. All right, buddy? But first we gotta change that diaper. Never a dull moment in this house. Anyway, so still seeing this board on my dinner table here. August, come on, man. He wants his bear watch. Where you at? You want bear? Come, let's go. Bear. Come. Come on, dog, let's go. Okay, so this might seem like a bunch of fitness jargon, but I will go more in depth into this. So basically, we created this little avatar last night, and we created like this daily self-care routine for the avatar. So I'll go into further details once this kid stop trying to break the house apart, right? All right, let's go finish our breakfast. Come on. All right, so Pat just dropped off Henry, did his morning routine.
Morning cars, baby, and 5 eggs.
5 eggs?
That camera's right there.
5 eggs?
5 eggs this morning.
All right, that's August waking up. So Pat is gonna do his little warm up before his football game today. So let's try to catch that.
We'll get a little bit on camera. This is a pretty tight band.
Yep. You go kick that fun. Okay. All right, so we are currently at William D. Walsh's playground, and we're here to watch the homie Pat play. He's running routes right now. And yeah, they got a couple of games going on so far. And of course, I get to kick it with this little guy right here, so fun times. We're gonna watch the game, play in the playground, do a couple of reps back and forth, and enjoy the rest of the day, all right? All right, buddy, let's go, come on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, how much touchdowns?
Can't make a prediction on that kind of information. We'll see how the game plays out. Just gotta do my job. Like Bill Belichick talks about. Gus, give me one. Gus. Oh, he just wants to, hog them all. I couldn't even see the ball. You know,
That was a really good one, man.
6 TDs today, season Gene.
6 TDs.
6 TDs. I think 2 picks.
Just
maybe 2.
Wait, you threw it?
No, I caught 2.
You caught
twice,
2 interceptions?
Either 2 or 1. I can't remember.
Yeah, Pat.
I start to get delirious after these games.
Yo, you crushed it today.
Crushed it.
Yo, it is much hotter than I thought it was going to be. Anyway, Pat is out. He's gone for the day. Baby Papa is taking a nap. And I'm sure he's going to be stretched for the next 2 hours. So I'm going to just answer some emails, reschedule some clients because Monday is Marathon Monday. And, whoa, what the fuck? Holy shit. Yeah, it's Marathon Monday, so I'm off. So I'm gonna be kicking it with the baby some more. Anyway, Ron hit me up, so we might have them, Ron, Pat, over again to the crib and have like some bro meetup, mashup, and just build, man, build and vibe. Anyway, I'm just gonna end this video here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holler back. Peace.